and welcome to this special edition of the video tutorials. This is what is an extract response, because to be honest with you, we need to learn this stuff to get you ready for next year. We're going to be doing one of these as our response for Merchant of Venice. So the first question is, no really, what is this thing? And as I've just explained, it's a type of response you'll be doing in your Year 12 Lit exam, and it's the type of response you'll be doing at the end of our unit. You're given 3 passages from a text and you develop a response based on these. As you can see, this is taken straight out of the Year 12 exam. This was on there at the end of last year. Use one or more of the passages as a basis for your discussion. Now, notice here, once my pen starts drawing, one or more. You don't have to use all 3. You don't have to use 2. You can use 1. But it's a basis for a discussion of the text. And you'll be given, like, these extracts are quite a bit longer than what I've got in front of you, but you're given parts of a text or page numbers to look at for the passage if it's a copyright text. And you have to come up with your own discussion about what's in there. So what exactly do you do with this thing? You will not be given a prompt, just 3 passages. From there you need to choose the direction of your discussion. You should note that there is no requirement to draw on all of the prompts. Blah, 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 blah. The best responses take the given information and use analysis techniques to discuss the prompt in the following ways. How it is situated within the text, like where is it in the text, how is it set up, where does it lead, the specific effective language techniques within the extract. So we're talking about the language being used and also the literary techniques that are there. How it exposes something about a character. How it adds to or detracts from a point that the author is trying to make. So you might be given a passage that is the one counterpoint to the main idea or concern. Then you take the info you're given, develop a discussion about how it supports an idea, theme or concern which the text questions or puts forward. This is with relation to the social, historical or cultural values. A vague process you can follow when developing an extract response. Alright, now I came up with this with Mr. Atherton. It's got 4 steps. Questions that you need to be able to answer as you're going through the development process of your essay. You can read this in your own time. Now, whether you use that structure or not, the truth is, the only thing that's important is that you're being asked to develop a discussion based on 3 extracts you're provided with. Being asked to put forward your own literary criticism or interpretation of a text. You're assessed on your use or knowledge of how the text comments on historical and cultural context, how the text comments on social values, how the text develops central themes, ideas or concerns, how well you use evidence, your interpretation of the techniques, features or language from the extract, the quality of your response and how well it ties all that stuff together with a quality interpretation or critique, and the quality of your use of vocabulary. So, it's all about putting all the skills I have learned together to put forward my own thoughts on the text in an informed way. Yes. But build your response around at least one of the extracts you're given, otherwise you are not fulfilling the requirements of the task. Many people will prepare an essay for a text. The night before, they'll sit at home, write what they think is the best essay for that text, come in, rewrite it. Now that's not what you want to do here, okay? We're not doing views and values, we're doing analysis of the prompt. Well, not the prompt, analysis of the extract you're given. So in that case, make sure you know the text really well, make sure you have key quotes and everything, but don't prepare an essay response, because that is one thing that all the examiners seem to dislike. Thanks very much for watching. See you later.